Trunk doesn't work, but need to manually lift it up. So we need to get to the control board that's behind here. So first we need to remove this plastic, but before we can remove this plastic, we need to remove this bottom piece. There's just some screws off here. Same for the bottom. It's all the same. This one here was partially unscrewed. Ow. Pulls right up. Clears that. Some clips here. Okay, so to give it a good yank, it pops off. Another 2 or 3 clips. Gives me enough clearance to get my hand in here. And squeeze the tabs off. And then let's get these nuts off. 10 mil. Do enough to break it loose, turn it out by hand, rest of the way. Okay, both nuts out. Lift. Wow. Okay. Well. So we know it's water getting in. That just so pissed out of this control box. Bloody hell. And it's all blue. I have no idea why is it that color. Yuck. Well, let's pop this thing open and see what's going on. It's still dripping. Super curious. See how this looks. Yo, this crud is no joke. Oh wow, look at this. Oh gosh. Yep. Just like all the others you see online. There's definitely water getting in. Not so much on this top side, but the bottom side. I'm gonna try some electrical cleaner, see if I can get away with just cleaning this rather than buying a whole new board, but let's try. So I have a can of this CRC electronic cleaner. I'm gonna try it and then put a toothbrush to it, see what I can get off. All right, this is a better plan. Freebie toothbrush from Emblem Health. Just to get it off the surface. Again, don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. This crud I wiped out from the box. I guess it's blue-green because of the PCB board. But yeah, just give it a good cleaning, put it back together, see if it did anything. Otherwise, I need to buy a new box. The one real spot that I couldn't get under for cleaning was around this area here. Toothbrush doesn't fit, but spray it off with this guy and then compressed air got whatever I was able to get out. Let's see. So this goes back in only one way. Follow the slots here, slide it in, and then pop the cover on. And let's see. Alright, after putting it back together, we want to just reset the module. So let's take the fuse out for the power tailgate module. That's number 16. This is 40 amp. And plug it back in. Now let's see if the remote works. Unlock. No. Alright, I wish I could say all that worked, but it didn't. So gave it a try, and time to fork over $230 some odd for a replacement. Thanks, Honda.
1 week later.
Cleaning the module didn't work, so there's a slim chance, but just trying to save some money. But went ahead and bought a replacement. It's a factory replacement, and we're going to drop this in, and then hopefully tailgate starts working again. Alright, and we went back in, plug it up. Leave it loose. Let's put the 40 amp back in. Let's see. Actually, it won't let me close. Do this first. This needs to get around that. Alright. Just lock it, unlock it, hold. It worked. So confirmed it is the control board. Obviously it was corroded to shit, but that did it. So I'm gonna put some bags over it, and then hopefully that keeps the moisture out for at least another 3-4 years, until someone wants to do a class action on Honda. Keep your receipts.